Riri from Texas. I am back with another how-to hair video. As you can see here, I did some medium-sized box braids on my hair. So this video is very, very detailed on how I parted my hair, how I sectioned my hair, how I did the braids. Yes, this is this is your sign, sis, to braid your own hair. I'm telling you now. So I love this setup. I always use this to separate my hair. Very important. It just make the process go quick. So I always start with my bottom row first. I take it into sections and I clip every other part up so that I could just be moving as quickly as possible, y'all. Because I'm telling you, that first braid is always the worst. It's just like, should I keep going? I can't wait to get to the last braid. But anyways, yes. So I got jam. Y'all know I like my shining jam. I really like that. I think that's the extra hold one. I get it from the beauty supply. I will try to see if they have it on Amazon. If so, I will link it on my Amazon store. I always like to use a rat tail comb to just push your hair together, comb it through. Have to make sure you comb it through. Make sure you guys catch my video about how I prep my hair before I actually start braiding, so that you can see how my hair is already prepped like this and how easy you can prep your hair too, because you do not want your hair tangled while you're trying to go ahead and start. So I started with my first one. I did not use the rubber band method on this video. Maybe my next video I will, but I just went ahead and took 3 sections. I like to braid it like that when I don't use the rubber band method. I'll take 3 different sections and I'll take my natural hair in 3 sections and I'll take the weave in 3 sections, and then I just braid it down that way. I find that when I braid my hair like that, it actually makes my braid tighter. Some people can do it if they just use 2 sections. Me, I like to go on with 3 sections, and it just gives my hair more longevity. And yes, honey. So now I'm going back on my second row, and I am using a mirror. This is the best way I use to actually part my hair. I'm using a mirror, and I'm going in and I'm using the end of my comb, my rat tail comb, to actually separate my hair with the part. And you can also see I'm applying jam. Now I like to do that because it makes my parts a little bit more precise. So this is the best way that I part my own hair. Moving forward, I think I'm just pay somebody to part this hair, because honey, I just don't got the time. I just don't got the time to be putting the parts. So once I get through making sure that my part is good, I'm gonna go ahead and section my hair off and tie it down with a rubber band. And I'll start to braid my hair again. Okay, so as I am parting with my rat tail, I always just use my mirror. It's a lot of using a small mirror and a big mirror, turning back and forth just to make sure that my parts are correct. And I did go ahead and finish the back. So now what you're going to see me do is, now that I'm at the top, I am actually going to part my hair in sections, and I'm going to braid my natural hair down to the scalp, just so I can get a view of how my overall look is going to look, so that I'm not, so that my parts are more even than not. All right, so you see how I sectioned my hair off. I'm actually applying some oil just to make sure my hair is oiled up. I went ahead and sectioned it off, and I am calling it a night because, guys, I was tired, y'all. Listen. So I went ahead and tied my hair down so that it would be good and ready for the morning. So this is just the first day. I went ahead and got the parting out the way, which was great, amazing. All right, so here I am the next day. I went ahead, I had to go in and redo my parting a little bit more because some of them was like in the front. I wanted my hair to be less wide down the center of the middle, so I had to go in and take some hair out of some sections and put it in the other sections. So when I did that, I just made the braids come on down to the middle. So now you're actually just going to see how I braid my hair, how I sectioned it off. This is very detailed, and you're gonna get to see the end results, y'all. I enjoy doing these hair videos so much. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so that I can bring you more hair videos. If this was helpful for you in any way, especially with the partying and just seeing the process, please let me know. So just go ahead and continue watching the video. If you have any questions, please leave them below in the comments. I will return, what to answer. And it is your girl, Riri from Texas. I will see you guys in my next video. Please continue watching this video so that you can see the full look.